Hi everyone, it's Steve here. I'm the team captain of Stafford Brunch and Stafford Morning NetworkIN meetings. Now, I know a few of you have been struggling with staying on the virtual network meetings where sometimes there's been poor internet or just glitches that have been coming up that have been kicking off the meeting. And I'm going to use some techniques that you can use to get back on quickly into a meeting, or if you have a disaster where your Wi-Fi goes down and you know it's going to be 10 minutes to reset the router, what to do. So let's look at that first. Let's look at, you've had a Wi-Fi issue and unfortunately your Wi-Fi is really struggling. First thing to check is, let's have a look up here. This little green icon will give you some information on how strong your connection is. If it's green and good, it probably isn't a Wi-Fi issue. But if it's amber or red, then chances are it's a Wi-Fi issue, or it may be that your Wi-Fi has already gone down. If you can see that everything's gone through on the screen or everyone's frozen. So one thing I try and do is have a phone to hand. A smartphone is great because you can create a personal hotspot with it, and that will then use your 4G. So the way you can get onto that is by going to your Wi-Fi, and for me, I've already set it up. But if you've not done this before, you'll need to maybe just YouTube it or Google a video on how to set up a personal hotspot. Dead simple to do, it takes less than 30 seconds, you just need to set a password and set it to active on your Samsung Galaxy, your iPhone, whatever you're using on there, and then you can jump onto it. Now as my Wi-Fi is working fine, I'm going to stay on my main network for this. But let's take it you've got an issue where the Wi-Fi is fine, you don't need to go onto a contingency hotspot, but you're getting kicked off meetings. So unfortunately, this is just something that is happening with video conference calling being still a relatively new technology. While it's been around for a couple of decades, it's still refining, it's still getting used to the high-speed internet that we've got available. So the important thing to remember is if your internet freezes or starts doing something unusual, just simply click at the top here on your internet bar and hit return, and that will just refresh your page, and then you'll jump straight back into the meeting on there and it'll just reset things for you. So those are a few quick tips on what you can do if you're struggling with your internet. Hope that helps.